Hi everyone, my name is Anna Costa. I am the Programme Director for the MSc Science Communications. Science Communications at University of Glasgow looks quite special to me. You'll learn anything from generative AI to science journalism and public engagement, and I think you'll thoroughly enjoy studying here with us. So Science Communications is something taught physically. Ours is quite recent, but we are keeping up with the times as it goes on and hopefully identify the current gaps that there are and training our science communicators in the best way possible to embrace the technology that they have available. University of Glasgow has quite a different structure to the programme itself. We incorporate generative AI into learning and learn how to use it effectively, but also ethically and safely. We also have a training provided by the Glasgow Science Centre, which I'm really excited about, where students will learn about public engagement from a science museum, science gallery perspective and how to engage with the public and create fun activities. We prepare students for journalism careers. We prepare students also for medical writing careers and how to use social media to communicate science to the public. The programme has quite different assessments from what life sciences degrees tend to see. So examples of assessments our students might have to complete in the programme is producing a podcast or a video about something newsworthy that they've seen recently on the news and they want to create a piece on. They also write news features and they produce generative AI content and then analyse that content that's come out to offer that little critical eye onto the piece. In digital media, they'll create social media campaigns and learn how to structure the campaign for release to the public. Another fun assessment is we work closely with the Advanced Research Centre here at the university, and they run an event that's called a Spring Fling during April. So our students will create workshops that will be delivered as part of the Spring Fling to engage with the public and teach them something sciencey. Transferable skills, you learn how to communicate with others, work as part of a team. It is essential to know how to work with stakeholders, work with each other and also with clients, so we train them on those skills. We also give them skills on video editing, for example, creating social media content, analysing analytics. There's a million careers that they can take. The ones that we expect are the most achievable after, and that's not to say they're the only ones that the students can get. Medical writing, so while undertaking the medical writing course that we have in the programme, they get to meet Ashfield and Allegro, the two medical communications companies that come through, and they help the students prepare CVs as well and give them some instruction on how to complete the tests that they're given as part of the interview process for careers in medical writing. So the students should have the tools and be well prepared for careers in that field. Social media as well, if you want to be a social media manager, content manager, and you get all the skills on how to produce the content and how to look for analytics, and you also build a portfolio throughout the year of the materials you create within the programme itself. And if you want more of the public engagement or writing, then science journalism, you get to network with people from the Herald and the BBC as well and query about careers there. If you're thinking about applying for science communications and you don't know if you have what it takes to be here, as long as you have a little bit of interest or a passion for science and you are willing to talk to others and communicate whatever you find, then this is the right place for you.